Gusto mo bang matutong magtahi ng sarili mong costume for cosplay? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Sarin. I've been cosplaying since 2010 and since 2010 ako rin yung nagsatahi ng mga sarili kong costume. And in these videos, I want to teach everyone about cosplay sewing. Let's start with the first question na laging tinatanong ng mga newbie na gusto kong magsimula, and that's, anong sewing machine ang kailangan kong bilhin? Well, first off, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung sewing machine na huwag niyo dapat pilhin, and it's this sewing machine right on the screen. Makikita niyo ito sa Shopee. So, dahilan kung bakit hindi ko siya recommended is para lang siyang laruan. It's great for kids or kung magtatahi ka lang ng small accessories. And I kid you not, pag pumunta kayo sa Facebook or sa ibang sewing groups, tapos may nagtatanong na may problema sila sa machine nila, usually sa tension or sa lower stitches, I will bet you, laging ganito yung sewing machine nila. And I'm also talking from experience kasi nung nag-start ako, I was using a cheap machine. Tapos laging problematic yung stitching ko. Like, hindi ako makausad sa isang project nang hindi nagkaka-aberya. So, akala ko, hindi lang ako magaling manahi kasi like, hindi siya diretso, bakit lagi nagbubuhol-buhol. Pero yun pala, yung makina yung may problema. Cause eventually, I saved up and I bought what I recommend, which is a mechanical sewing machine, yung vintage, yung gawa sa bakal. It just does a straight stitch. Pero when I started using an actual sewing machine like this, nakakapagtahi ako ng dire-diretso, tapos hindi nagkakaproblema. So na-realize ko na yung problema lang pala is yung sewing machine ko na mumurahin. So if you do have the budget, I recommend saving 3,000 pesos. Yun yung price range for vintage sewing machine like this. You can also buy a refurbished sewing machine from a reputable brand. There's Brother, Singer, Juki, Genome. For example, here I'm using a Brother Basic Starter sewing machine that I have been using since 2013, and I've never had to have it serviced. Never had to go to the service center. Minamaintain ko lang siya every month or every after project. So, kung kaya mong mag-ipon and seryoso ka naman talaga, just get a sewing machine from a reputable brand. What I recommend getting is just the most basic one. Hindi naman importante na maraming stitch yung machine. Ang importante lang, meron siyang straight stitch and meron siyang zigzag stitch.